all you gorgeous people out there in the cooking world. Welcome back to Cooking with the Riz. Today I'm going to do a scalloped potato dish. I actually did this, I served this up with my chicken Kievs that I did quite a while back, and somebody wants the recipe that's following me, one of my subscribers. So here you go, this is for you. Pretty easy really. All you got, I've already sliced my onions up here, so just in quarters and then just slice them up. They go on the bottom like so. Alright, that gives it a really nice flavour, the onions. Put a bit of salt and pepper on the bottom. Seasoning, beautiful salt and pepper. Okay, and then what you do, you just start scalloping your spuds. Easy. When you cut the spuds, make sure you always work on a flat surface. So always cut the bottom off, just so it doesn't rock around when you slice it. And then just slice it, not too thin. Whoops, come back here. Not too thin, not too thick, okay? And that's all you need to do with that. And then you just put that in there, like just lay it in the pan, just like so. There you go. These can just go in like so. And that's all you need to do, guys, really, with the slicing. And then what we do, we just pour the cream all over it. I've got about 600 mils here. See how much we need, but you do want it to cover, okay? So don't be too shy with it. If you don't put enough in, it'll be too dry and not very nice. I think 600 mils is quite enough. And then all you need to do now is, I've got some fresh nutmeg here in my microplane. And don't be shy with the garlic. All right, oh, garlic, sorry. Where am I going? With the nutmeg, I should say. Just get it on there, because it really makes it flavoursome. All right, and that's it, guys. That's all you have to do. I'll show you later on when she's all cooked up in the oven. But this will take probably, I don't know, an hour or so in the oven. Okay, I'm back with the end result with these juicy, loosey potatoes. Aren't they just magnificent looking? Look at that. Hey, crazy, crazy. All right, let's have a little dish up. Actually, I'll show you a little bit closer. I'll give you a bit of a close-up one. All right. Have a look at that. Oh, you get all those onions at the bottom. They're just magnificent. Look at that. All those beautiful onions. Put it over the top. And then we will have a little taste. And this goes with lots of different food. You can just make it when you have a roast even. We can go with that as well. And have a look at this. It is so, well, the smell's beautiful, and it's just, oh geez, I love that flavour. Well guys, if you really like this recipe I made for you, give me the thumbs up, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell next to it, and I will see all you guys at the next adventure. Until then, happy cooking to everyone.